All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're back with the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports. All right, so today we had the FOMC. They did what was expected, raising rates a quarter basis points, not too aggressive, but they also said that they're not going to be lowering rates anytime soon, especially not this year. So looking at the Bitcoin futures here, you can see the market is flat. And I think this is to be expected because today was FOMC. Tomorrow morning is the ECB, and then on Friday we got the Bank of Japan, the BOJ. So perhaps the market needs to digest a little further. But right now we know that the market is still under the auspices of a bearish trend momentum reading. So any price action that we see will most likely be to the downside, because you are in the sell the rally mode at this point, just like you were back here. Next is wheat. Now, they've been talking about the grains and talking about what's happening with the crops and stuff like that. So we did get the downside production today, and it gave us a crash alert for tomorrow's trading as well, as it seems like the market just doesn't want to let go. Doesn't want to let go. And you're going between bullish and bearish, and it's right now the bear market just seems to be winning out right now. So that's what it is. So we've topped out for now, got above the resistance, and then just absolutely just collapsed going into the close today. So we expect the market wants to come all the way back down, and looks like the price action has been reclaimed by the trend, which is a bear trend for now. Next up is soybeans. Soybeans, just like in the wheat, it is showing weakness. We got a bearish trend momentum reading, had a crash alert coming in today. Didn't get any downside production yet, but as you know, the indicators can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. So we are expecting more downside to come in soybeans. Looking at corn, bearish trend momentum reading. You're already below the Kumo cloud. We're expecting this market to continue to decline as well. Looking at silver, silver has a bearish trend momentum reading, and we're expecting silver to also continue to fall at this point because the market is in a corrective mode. Even though you had a technical bounce today, remember you're in the sell the rally mode. So all rallies are looking to get sold off here. So just FYI as we're moving forward. Next up is nat gas. So nat gas is still neutralized, but it's in a bear market. Looking at the Dow, so the Dow hits another 52-week high today. Dow futures just has no quit in it. This is just really abnormal as the market is being pushed higher, defying all logic. The market just taking advantage of the rampage here in the Kumo cloud. But I'm anticipating that this market at some point will correct because you haven't really had one. But I'm expecting that this explosion could go a lot higher because of how long you consolidated. So chances are this thing could go and hit 40,000 easy. So just something to think about as we're going forward. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. Different story here. You got a bearish trend momentum reading. The market has a short-term top in place and is looking for a precipitous drop. It's already in the corrective mode. So there's not a lot you can do there with that. Next up is gold futures. So gold, as you can see here, still has that bearish trend momentum reading. And you can also see that we had a bit of a pop here. Now there is contract rollover. I think they're trading the December contract futures now. So that could explain also the poppage here. But this market, as you know, is in the sell the rally mode. So I'm looking for this to also sell off. Next up is the S&P 500. We got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. You hit a new 52-week high here, but after coming off that neutralized reading, it's looking like this market could start to correct, and this could also, be front running the Dow. Next up is the crude oil futures, neutralized with a crash alert. for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like the bear market rally may have run its course. We'll let the price action verify that for us. Next up is the euro, and the euro still has a bearish trend momentum reading. We are expecting more downside to come toward that 108 level. Pound sterling, same story, bearish trend momentum reading, looking for the market to come back down to 125. The Aussie, bearish trend momentum reading, looking for the market to finally break below the Kumo cloud on this one, back down to the 6,600 handle. Russell, bearish trend momentum reading, crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading as the market is in the sell the rally mode. Next up is copper. Copper is neutralized still, so we pass by that one. It's still in a bear market as well. Ethereum, bearish trend momentum reading. We're expecting the price action to continue to decline back down toward the 1600 level there as well. All right, folks, so there you have it. We'll see how the markets react tomorrow morning with the ECB's decision. We're expecting them to go ahead and do more of the same with the rates. So really nothing, really nothing surprising going on here. So you just got to be patient, let the trades work. Sometimes it takes a while, but you just got to be patient. The markets will do what they are designed to do. And with that said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button, and I'm out. Peace.